Are these Milwaukee wire strippers better than Nahhh?
Take a look at these Milwaukee 6-in-1 electrician's pliers. Combo pliers, what they call them, but we all see it's strippers, it's electrician stuff. I'm not sure if you'd call this pro grade. I know a lot of guys that work at industrial electricity, they don't use stuff like this. You can go ahead and open it up, get it out of there, because I pre-cut it so it's easier. But, you know, around the house, homeowner stuff, and pro electrician, like regular residential electricians, this probably be all right. The guys where I worked at in the 480 stuff, industrial, shoot, they got their own mindset, their own skill of tools and all kind of stuff. So they probably have a pair just for light work around the control boxes and stuff. But so yeah, these are they're very nice. I like the handle, but that may be the shortcoming. I'm not sure if these handles, I've had plastic handles like this, the rubberized ones. Man, they'll slide off after a while. I'm not saying these will, but that would be my only concern with those. Even the little dipped style handles, they sometimes get worked loose. Locking clip you want to store in your bag without having everything open up. That's nice. It's got bolt cutters for, see if we can get that angle on there. It's 632 and 832. Your faceplate cover and your socket cover, and then, you know, other size bolts for your box and everything. 6 different size wires that you can strip. I don't know if you can see that on there, if it's focusing. I'll read them off though. Let's see. Number 8 solid, 10 solid, 12, 14, 16, and 18 solid. And then on the stranded side, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20 also. So yeah, there you go. Got reamers on the outside. And also got a handy pair of needle nose type pliers on the front. So yeah, there you go. They feel good, and they got good spring. So let's see what we got. We got the concave wire cutter in there, and yeah, speaker wire. You wouldn't expect anything better than that, though. That's the easy stuff. Little Romex. Yeah, it clips. Very little effort. Got some 3-strand, it's pretty thin stuff, probably 16, 18 gauge stranded. Snips it right off. And here's what I'm talking about. Some of your number 2 or 3, it's not marked. Some industrial wire for 480 connections, big stranded stuff. This one you don't got a hole that'll fit, but you can work it off there with your pliers like that. There you go. Yeah, these are pretty nice, pretty smooth. Let's see what else we got here. Let's see if we can't get some of that Romex off of there and get a bare wire out. There we go. Well, look, strips it right away. It does dig in a little bit there, but stripped it right off. Of course, you'd want to peel that back a little more. Reamer. You got that old brother that wants to cut his PVC conduit with a coping saw or, you know, drywall saw. Leaves that jag, you run her in there. Not that the PVC is as bad a problem as your metal conduit, but still, you don't want nothing jacking up when you're trying to drag it through there. So we got that. And of course your wire. Let's give the whole demonstration from the top. Wire. Take it out. Make you a loop there. Not your best loop, but same thing on this side. And then the bolt cutters got a loop maker also, which I'm not sure if I'm not sure how many people would use that. It's kind of a hassle to get it right, but it could be done. So there you go, the Milwaukee 6-in-1 locking combo pliers. I'm not sure if these are on the way out or what. I picked these up at Home Depot today for, it wasn't on the clearance rack, but it was a lower price than before. And then I tried to look on Amazon to see what they ran on there, and they're not showing it as listed. Well, they got a listing, but they don't have prices on it, like it's out of stock or something. So I got these at a pretty good price at the Home Depot today, so you might check by there if you need a pair. They're pretty handy. I had a pair of these once when I worked at a marina, and I dropped them in a lake, if you can believe that. Of course, who wants to do electrical work over a lake, right? So there you go. All right, let me know what you think. If you got a pair of these, let me know. And if anybody knows about the discounted price or the show, I know there's I saw one for Milwaukee has now a 7-in-1 combo with this pliers. So maybe they're just getting rid of the 6-in-1 and going straight up with the 7-in-1. All right, yeah, let me know in the comments if you know what's going on or if you got a pair of these and how you like them. I'm going to put these in my go bag for my truck bag. I mean, at this price, like I say, if you drop them in a lake again, you don't feel near as bad. So there you go. The Milwaukee 6-in-1 combo pliers. For electricians, obviously, but there you go. All right, guys, thanks. Have a great day. And like and follow if you enjoyed the show. Subscribe if you feel like it. If not, that's okay, too. Thanks for watching.